Hey, it's your man John Greasy on the Corner Show. I want to welcome y'all, man. I got a new segment I'm about to start doing called Outside the Studio. So I'm going to take you all around with me, where I'm at a non-profit organization event, whether I'm in the studio, whether I'm in the TV studio, just a lot of behind-the-scenes stuff you don't get a chance to see me doing. So I do a lot of stuff out here in the community, man, always giving back. So that's first and foremost. That's definitely what the corner is about. So giving opportunities to people who, can't really get that shine and get that light, So I'm here to be a vehicle for that. It is what it is, and I'm just trying to be positive out here and just showcase all the positivity going on, whether you're a rapper, singer, dancer, poet, independent business owner, non-profit organization rep. I mean, anything you're doing out here that's positive, that's what I'm about for the corner. But this segment right here is really dedicated to just me, just chilling and stuff I do outside of the studio. So I'm dedicating this to everybody out there who's grinding, and for the people who don't get a chance to see a lot of things that go on to make the grind happen. So a lot of work that go into making the show happen. So you guys get a chance to see a little bit of that from me. So it's your man John Greasy, aka the Domeline Don. The clothing line is coming. 09. I told y'all it was coming. It's coming. So be looking out for that. On the mixtape, of course, Feed Me Beats Volume 2, World Core Entertainment. I'm doing that real big too. So y'all be looking out for that. 09. Hip Hop Mile is coming. 09. www.hiphopmile.com. Make sure you hit that website because that's gonna be real major. June 13th. So it's your man John Greasy. Outside the studio. I got more to come. Stay tuned. I'm in my hood right now. Van Dyke 7 Mile all day. That's what I rep. So I'm just chilling, man. God is good. So y'all stay tuned from over the corner and coming. Don't go nowhere. Peace.